What is good to the YouTube family? Right now we just met up with the boys. Yeah, this shit be moving. This shit be moving. Look at this. Look how beautiful, guys. I feel so blessed that I have this opportunity to like change my life, travel the world. Oh shit. What is going on? Nah, I don't think this is part of this is the wrong hood. We are in the wrong hood right now. Look at this. Look at this. Yo, this is one of the best things about Vietnam. You meet so many amazing people. And bro, this guy does crypto. My boy over here, you've seen him in a whole bunch of vlogs. He does crypto. We making this money and traveling the world. We're gonna come back down to do Lady Buddha for the sunset. Bro, y'all better make sure y'all follow all my social media. Make sure to go to the description if I want to learn how to make this money, and subscribe. Bro, we giving y'all the best content out here in Da Nang. And next, in a few days, your boy is gonna actually go to another part of Vietnam. So make sure y'all subscribe to see the next part of Vietnam. Now let's get to this damn track. It's gonna be all three of us, and we all got, look, that's my scooter, you know what I mean? Ooh, my boy, he got the red one, and my other boy got the black joint. Yo, we out here riding in style, bro. We out here living, let's get it. This is how we ride out in style, you heard? Riding out in style. Hopefully the audio and the video is not too shaky. I have this damn thing plopped up on my damn book bag. I'm making my own mount over here to try to give you guys a little video of us actually driving. Trying to give you a new perspective. Look at this. Look at all this traffic we gotta get through right now. And look, we're literally right here by the beach as well. Look at that, right here by the beach. Let's get it. With the boys, look, with the boys. Okay. We ride up in style. Sing Chow. Oh, goddamn. They're not ready for us. We're about to take off. Watch. Look at the acceleration on this damn scooter. Yeah, this shit be moving. This shit be moving. Oh my God, look at the views. Oh my God. Look at this view, guys. Look at this. Another worthy spot to stop at. Look at this. Look how beautiful, guys. Look how beautiful. Da Nang is so freaking gorgeous. Let's go. Let's get to this cloud. Yo. Oh, look at this. Look at this. What the hell? Oh my God. One-handed too. Come on. Who you know could do it? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. We in here. My boy, let's get it, let's get it. Oh my God. One-handed on him, let's go. Oh, that's my other boy, the other boy. Let's go, let's go. I already know, I look crazy, it's okay. This is how I can drive, listen to music and everything, but look, we just stopped. Look at this. What this is a whole bunch of blues, yellows, so damn colorful, and it's literally right on the side of the damn road. I don't know what's going on over here, but this is beautiful. So beautiful. Right, we officially made it over here to the Lady Buddha. Right now, I think we gotta find a parking or something. Xin Chao, my guy. Oh gosh, I don't know where we park. Just found the boys, but look at this view. We gotta park our scooters, but look at this view. Come on, man, 1 in a mil, bro. Let's go. We right here at the Lady Buddha now. Look at this. Look at this. We gotta walk up. Oh, this shit is dope. Look, you can see the Lady Buddha. Yeah, ready? Oh, God, my God. Hey, beautiful. Oh, that made me feel so sad. But look at that view. Jeez. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this. Yo, they have so many different styles of Buddhas. There's so many. I wish I could read it, but I can't. Oh, but it's beautiful. They all different. They probably have like a different meaning for each and every one of them. And they're sitting on different like animals as well. This is beautiful. Oh snap! I don't even know. Do we have to pay for this? We didn't. We just parked the scooters, but I don't know. I'm gonna let you know if we have to pay, but I don't know where the hell you like buy tickets here. Okay, I found another. Oh, what? I wish I could read that, but if it says don't go in, somebody's gonna have to scream at me. Oh my God! What? Yo, I wish they could get. Hopefully, the video is getting the glistening. Oh my God. This is beautiful, guys. Oh my God, this gives you so much good energy. I feel so positive right now. God, I feel so happy. I don't know why, it just made me just feel so amazing right now. Like, look at this. Yo, every section over here just looks so, like, clean. Like, so maintained. Oh my, look at this, even with the sun. And look at this view. I didn't even realize that that is not where the Lady Buddha is. It's over here. So let's make our way over to the Lady Buddha. Look at how huge this is. I want to go inside, but I want to get in front of it. Yo, this is the front of it. But yo, I'm literally standing right under it. And yo, I gotta go 90 degrees up. I want to get further so you get a good view. Look at this. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. And there's mad people here. A lot of people. But this is beautiful. Now he said he got a good spot. Where's this spot at? Look at this. Yo, this place is 100% worth coming. Yo, this is free? This is free? Yeah, no, this is Lady Buddha is free to come here? Oh, I didn't even know. You guys, it's free. Look at this. Look at this. There's a monkey. I want to get close, but I know it's not going to be good. Oh yeah, you don't steal my GoPro. There's a monkey. Xin Chao. Oh, I'm just gonna, you know, make it seem like I don't know he's there. Oh, snap. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, he looks so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Xin Chao. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, shit. Did you just see that? Oh, there's another one. Nah, they're wildin'. I'm out of here. That is crazy. Hell no. He kind of like, And I seen another one. Yeah, it's not gonna be good. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. This Buddha right here. Honestly, guys, 100% worth it. Guarantee, guys, you need to come here. If you come to Da Nang, it is 100% worth it, and it's free. Look, the lighting in here is amazing. Against the sun, I'm looking like a whole snack. Good vibes, good energy. Crazy monkeys. There's like 5 of them, bro. They kind of snapped at me, so I'm gonna stay up here. Oh, God, this is beautiful. So now I'm 100% going in this. Oh my God. This is so worth coming to, guys. Look at this. Oh, take off your shoes. I'm taking off my shoes right now. Wait, can I? Xin chào, xin chào. Hello, xin chào. I don't know. Okay, I had to cut the camera because out of respect, and you could just do a little prayer. Honestly, it made me feel so different. Honestly, like I said, I just feel so blessed that I have this opportunity to like change my life, travel the world, and just live life, honestly. I never thought in a million years that I'll be able to do this, and I say this a lot. Oh my God, it's so damn possible. And just seeing stuff like this, like, bro, a person from Brooklyn, New York, and I'm over here in Vietnam. Like, I'm like that small percentage of people that actually take a risk and actually do stuff like this. That's why I said, oh, you gotta believe in yourself, you gotta take risks. Because y'all don't even know, I have to do like a video of a backstory of myself so you guys could really know who I am. If you guys think it was so easy for me to figure out, oh my God, you're so sadly mistaken. I worked hard for this, and I'm just grateful I did. Oh my God. Honestly, guys, this place is one of a kind. One of a kind. Look at this. All you could do is feel so much peace and good energy when you're here. Like, why be mad? You can't be. Not here, you can't. Just so much positivity. Oh, okay. Oh, these monkeys look a little fun. Okay, Xin chào. Oh, there's babies. There's babies. Oh my God, oh, there's a big one over there. Oh, nah. Xin chào. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. What is going on? Oh, snap. Yo, oh, no, they getting at it. They getting active. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh shit. No. Oh no. Oh, the mama? Is that the mama? Look how cute they are. Oh snap. Yo, I'm trying to record at the same time. Oh snap. Oh snap. Yo, it's a whole pack. It's so many of them. Oh, they're so gangster. Is this where the bathroom is? Oh, nah, I don't think this is part of this is the wrong hood. We are in the wrong hood right now. Look, they got Overwatch everywhere. They surrounding this whole block. This is where the bathroom is? Brother, if this is where the bathroom is, I don't even want to go. I don't even want to go at this point. These little ones right here are gangster. They are straight gangster. Look at that. Look at them.
Cinematic freelancers.
Look at this little G.
Let's get some monkey balls.
Yeah, this is right here. They're wilding over here. Yeah, that one wilding. Look at that. Oh, they about to gang up on him. That's it. Yeah, he is not sharing. He's eating all of it. This is a real life jungle right now. This is crazy.
You wanna get to a home?
Walking around these little monkeys right here, I would be terrified if I was walking here at nighttime by myself. There would be a 0% chance I'll do that. Like, yo, they run this. They run the block. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. I don't want no smoke. Hell no. Oh, did you see that? Yo, they're like throwing themselves. Yo, we out? We going that way? Hell into the no. Oh, yo, imagine getting one of them mad. Imagine one of them. Oh my God, just imagine. Watch it. You better get close to one. Hey, little dogs here. Oh my God, look at you. That's a little angel. Oh my God, so cute. All right, my boy right here. 1 out of 10, is this place worth it to come to?
Of course, definitely.
100%?
Like 9 of 5.
9.5?
Yeah.
See, guys, come. My guy right here, 1 out of 10. Should you come here?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. It's so,
Definitely.
and it's free. You didn't say it. You gotta stick with that 9.5, but I'm telling you guys, it's 100% worth it. Guys, look at this. 100% worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want my recommendation, the Highland Path, 100% do it. It's free. The Lady Buddha, as you can see right over here, it's absolutely free. You have to do it if you come here to Da Nang. It is 100% worth it. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Follow all the social media, Instagram, TikTok. Go to the description if you guys want to learn how to make this money. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, yo. We're out here traveling the world. And this is why I told you, you guys need to believe in yourself because everything is always possible. You have to stop making excuses and make it happen because even with my boys here, they're all travelers. We're all making it happen and you can too. It's not that hard. Subscribe and I see you guys in the next one.